my channel. So today's video is about how I create this beautiful Indian makeup look. So since Rakhi is around the corner and I thought let's go a little different and create a beautiful Indian makeup look. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I have applied nothing on my face right now. I have just cleansed my face with my face wash. Next step that I will do is hydrate and moisturize my face. So I'll be using this. So this is a very hydrating moisturizer. The next step is using a face oil. So this face oil is by Namrata Soni, the Indulgio Essential Face Oil. So this is the 24 karat Wonder Gold oil, which is beautiful. I'll use 3 to 4 drops. So you can see there's a nice glow and sheen on my face. So this is the way I hydrate my face. Next I'll be using a primer from Smashbox. This is the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. So the next product that I'll use is the stroke cream. So this stroke cream is from MAC and it is in the shade Gold Light. After this, I will use the Huda Beauty. This is the Huda Beauty Body Highlighter, which is in the shade Aphrodite. So after this, I will use the foundation by Cover FX. So this is the Cover FX Natural Finish Foundation and I am in the shade N50. And I'll use the foundation brush from Sephora. So next I'll use this foundation. So this is the Tarte Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation and I'm in the shade Medium Neutral. After this, I will conceal my dark circles and the dark spots and all those pigmented areas. So I'll be using these two concealers by Huda Beauty. So this concealer is in the shade Granola 18N and this one is in the shade Coconut Flakes. So the reason why I'm using these two concealers is because one will conceal all the dark spots and the dark circles and this concealer is used to highlight and brighten up the areas. So I'll be using these two concealers. So I'll start with the first one, which is the Granola 18N. So I'll use this concealer brush from Nykaa and gently dab it from the inner corner to the center and then to the outer corner. So with a very light hand you have to do the concealing. You don't have to press, you don't have to rub it. You have to do it really gently and softly. So now I'll use this concealer, which is in the shade Coconut Flakes, to highlight and brighten the areas. I'll use the same concealer brush and again dab it very gently. So you can see it has instantly brightened up my face and I have covered all my dark spots and the dark circles and there's no pigmentation. It's completely flawless base. And now the next step is baking. So I will be using the Cover FX Matte Setting Powder. So this is the Cover FX Matte Setting Powder, which is in the shade Light. So now I'll set the concealer so that it doesn't crease and it stays for a very long time and my face looks flawless. So the next step is bronzing and applying the blush. So I'll be using the bronzer from NARS. So this one is in the shade Laguna. So next I'll use the Color Bar blush. So this is the Color Bar blush which I'll be using and it's in the shade Veiled Merlot. So it's a soft matte rosy pink. Now let's do the eye makeup. So for the eyes I'll be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, my favorite palette. So I'll use this color for the base. Next I'll use this color. Next I'll use this shade. Next I'll use this shade. Next I'll use so this is the compact by Cover FX and I am in the shade NC40. So I'll just dab it little on my face. So next I'll use the eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris. So after completing both the winged eyeliner, so I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris Kajal. So next I'll be doing my eyebrows and I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the best seller of Anastasia Beverly Hills. So this is the Dip Brow Pomade and I'm in the shade Medium Brown. So after doing my brows, I'll use a little bit of concealer and just fine tune my eyebrows. So after this, I'll be doing my lips. So the first product that I'll use is this one. This is the MAC Prep Plus Prime Lip Primer. After that, I'll use the lip liner from MAC. So this one is in the shade Vino. So after this, I will use the lip color, which is the liquid lipstick by Huda Beauty. So this one is in the shade Trophy Wife. So after this, I will curl my lashes. So after this, I'll use the mascara from L'Oreal Paris. So you can see the difference. I mean, this one is without the mascara and this one is with the mascara. It's like lengthened up and it's like so voluminous. It's such a beautiful mascara. So after this, I'll use the Lash Brow Gel, again from Anastasia Beverly Hills. After this, I'll use the highlighter. So this one is the Huda Beauty highlighter, which is in the shade the Golden Sands. It's my favorite highlighter. So I'll use this one a bit for my cheeks. After this, I'll use this one. Lastly, the gloss from Victoria's Secret. So finally, the last step, that is a setting spray, is required to set my makeup completely. I'll be using this one. So this one is the MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus, my favorite and all-time favorite. So just wait back to see my complete traditional Indian look.